Carbonization furnace, charcoal briquette production line. All ready and now loading container. And after carbonization is the charcoal briquette production line. So this is the mixer with a cover to avoid the dust. And after that, we can make a charcoal ball. And this molding is able to change. Like this is square shaped, square pillow with the marks. And we can make oval ball and other shapes. And this is the extruding briquette machine, and it's able to make the stick shaped. We can change the molding to make hexagonal, cubic for shisha cubic and other shapes. And after that, we use the air energy heat pump dryer to dry the extra moisture. It's very high efficiency and energy saving, only 4 kilowatt. And it's using the heat from the environment, so it's very energy saving. And it will automatically heating and with the PLC controller, so you only need to adjust drying temperature and the drying time. Will automatically working. Like this kind of charcoal briquette will need 4 hours to dry one batch. These are all in stock, so if you need the charcoal briquette production line, we can ship off very fast because we have in stock. Contact him if you're interested in charcoal production, charcoal making, and also biochar making. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.
好。
哥拿一个，请哥拿一个。
孩子那啥呀？
嗯。
转一下，转一下。
不然电竞不是，我合同是俩全部是全箱的。然后全箱的是成品啊，你那管是下装头全箱型。